Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the TLT weekly chart here. When the video concludes, go ahead and give us a visit at the membership tab and sign up for the monthly membership right away. You can join us in the live chat room. We have a private Twitter feed. We do daily market analysis and a watch list. You can also check out our performance tab where you can see every single trade that we've ever alerted. We not only give you profitable trade alerts, but we teach you how to make every single trade that we make so that you can become a better trader on your own. So let's get into the TLT chart here. A couple reasons. First of all, I do think it's heading higher, much higher than where it's at right now. I want to point out we've got this uptrend line here, the slower moving uptrend line, and then we've got this faster moving uptrend line right here. It started in the end of 2013. We got a touch here in about June and July of 2015. Another touch November, December, January of 2016 this year. Okay. Now we've got that uptrend line, and then we broke over this downtrend line. Okay. So this is a weekly chart, and the implications of it are pretty significant. If you can get TLT down in the 122, 121 range, I would consider that a gift. I think if it does end up getting back down and retesting that area, I do think it's going to touch at least 130, potentially breaking these highs of 135 and heading much higher. Okay, it's a pretty big pattern here. We've got this uptrend here, and then it broke over this downtrend line. We've got room on the RSI. It's only at 60. Over here, the RSI got up to about 85. About 86 or 7 right there on the RSI. We've got room on the MACD as well, so everything's setting up for higher prices. Another thing that I want to mention is we've got a squeeze on the weekly Bollinger Bands here. As you can see, they're really tight, and now they're expanding, okay, and they're expanding in the direction that price is going. And so what happens when that happens is we see a pretty big move in price, okay? Price has been contracting, and that's why the Bollinger Bands squeeze. As you can see, they get wide, they're wide here, and then they squeeze, and when price is contracting like this, and then it finally breaks out of that range, we see a pretty significant move, okay? Same thing that we saw here. I'm just looking at the chart and showing another time that the weekly chart had a Bollinger Band squeeze. Same thing that happened right here. As you can see, this was even wider than the squeeze we had right here. But as you can see, the implications are pretty significant. Once it breaks out of that range, it can go much, much higher. Okay, so I definitely think TLT is going a lot higher, and you can use this uptrend line as a guide. Okay, if it breaks this uptrend line, I'm going to be a little more cautious on the long side, and you can use this lower line as support. Okay, I do think that line will hold, especially since it broke over this downtrend line right there. That's it for the TLT analysis. Go ahead and give us a visit at the membership tab of this site. Chat room, live Twitter feed, daily market analysis, and you get to trade alongside a pro and many other pros. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.